One sunny afternoon, a boy was walking near the fields when he heard faint chirping. He looked closer and saw a small bird trapped in a thorny bush, its wing trembling in pain. Carefully, the boy pushed the thorns aside, even scratching his own hands. The bird fluttered weakly, unable to fly. The boy gently held it, gave it water, and kept it safe in a little box with soft cloth. Days later, the bird healed. The boy carried it outside, opened his hands, and with a happy chirp, the bird soared into the sky. The boy smiled as the bird circled above him. Moral is, a small act of kindness can give wings to life.